So, going to profile my friend's pet. He has an African Grey Parrot that he got because it flew down into his backyard when he was living in Fort Lauderdale some 20 odd years ago. He doesn't know really how old it was or where it came from, but it just flew into his yard, and since then it's been part of his family. It's named Carmen Joe. It's a great little bird. I always like talking to it when I go in. She likes to whistle, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna go and just take a real quick look at her. Carmen Joe.
I don't want her to chew my rods.
You don't want her to chew your rods? Oh, you're fishing stuff.
Chew the cork.
Yeah.
So I take that step stool and those two towels,
Yeah.
and I put them here and pick up all the shoes
Right.
and stuff, and she just wanders around here for hours. She loves it.
She loves it.
Yeah.
Except she chews on the rods.
Well, like, I don't let her chew anything. Oh, look at this! Look at this lure. I absolutely love that lure. God, I have the nicest picture of her. I just took
What
it.
is she eating? What is that?
Almond.
An almond?
Yeah.
Then you have to toast those, right?
No, they come
unsalted.
unsalted and raw.
Oh, that's what she eats.
I think they're raw. Isn't that the nicest picture?
Oh,
Can you see it?
cute. Yeah.
I can. I can see it here. Oh. I'm gonna tell you.
Taking a video of your photo, man. Told you. Karma.
Didn't I just send that to you?
No, you didn't send me
Oh,
that
I
one.
sent it to Genevieve and Donna.
Oh.
My
sorry,
Oscar's
some
wife
other
and
stuff. Karma.
I like this weather. Isn't she pretty?
She's so pretty.
She's really a very, very beautiful bird.
She is. Very nice. Oh.
Eating that banana.
Can you sing? Can she sing?
No.
Can she whistle?
She won't say shit. Listen, so if you make her